Hmm. Well, let's see if this works any better this time. I don't know if it will. Anyways, what's up, Zim writers? I've been working on a new search term I've been writing about lately for the fun of it. And got a funny, embarrassing story. I develop a process trying to automate what I do manually with using OpenAI. Get all excited. I tell everyone about it, and the very first time I use this process on a client, I wake up the next morning and oh my God, my website and my client's website tank. My reputation is pretty important to me. My brand is important. I had the night before I just shared with everybody in the private group, like, guys, everyone's been asking about my custom prompts and how I do things. And I figured a way to do it just within ZimWriter alone and create this amazing, beautiful content that Google just falls in love with. So what do? I was like, okay, all right, guys, let me show you how this is done. And I figured it out, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. I was analyzing, couldn't figure it out. I'm like, oh my God, I just told all my friends, hey, do it this way. Google loves the content and it just gets picked up right away and it ranks. Well, so I'm heartbroken. I'm sitting there stressing out like, dude, I just got all my friends. They were knocking out content like just in one day going, oh my God, watching everything get picked up and ranked in minutes. Like, oh, we spoke about it in the group. We spoke about it in the private group. We all of a sudden, where's the prompt? Where's the prompt? How's this done? I'm like, dude, oh my God, just chill out. We'll get there. We'll get there. I still want to do more testing before I go all public. And, I don't want to damage my reputation, put out something that's going to be bad. And so all of a sudden I start testing it with my team. And if you see that, that's the private group that I allow. I drop the link every day. I generally let everyone in all day long. And then periodically, like, all right, guys, it's my team only. And I'll remove people and we talk about private stuff. Well, during that call, one of the people goes, my stuff's not getting scanned anymore. Huh. All right. Nope. So, issue. Well, during one of these calls, a young man came in. He was like, hey, what do you think of my schema? I said, it's great, but, can be improved. And he goes, do you got a schema similar that I can see? I go, you know what? I did. In fact, last night, I just did this on this site. It's a perfect article and yada, yada. I go there. This is the article that tanked the website, by the way. And I have spent so much time working on details, finding the exact information I want. Well, I go, yeah, I'll show you a perfect schema. What do? Show them mine. It's not a perfect schema because it's my client's schema. I go to my client side, and my reputation is so important to me. I never want to infect the income or business or life cycle of someone that's a client or a friend of mine. It's what bills and it's what feed us. And so me having a negative consequence was hugely emotional for me. I was sitting there, man, really trying to figure out what I did. It was just that content. How do I recover? Like I was just kicking myself in the butt. Well, yeah, my at 4 o'clock in the morning decided to apparently put my schema on my clients on mine, both tanked the next morning. I switched back the proper schemas, and just the next scheduled few hours later, everything was back to normal and fine again. But oh my God, I couldn't imagine going to a board meeting, or a client meeting, and hey, all right, can you demo how? Can you really get something indexed? Like, yeah, instantly, and all of a sudden show up and this doesn't happen. So let me explain something else. So all this is going on. I'm just like, all right. This is before I found out. I wrote an additional article. I don't know if you can see the screen, but I wrote this article. Where is it? Is it this one? right? Google doesn't want this article for nothing. They don't care about it. Is this it? Yeah, this one right here. Submit, we're not interested. Submit, not interested. They don't care. All the content seems right on, but there's obviously something they're not interested in. So this morning I decided I was going to do one for musicians. Well, again, instantly submitted, dropped over here, instantly picked up. I submitted, press refresh, wait a second, press refresh. I can see the first bot hit it. Sure enough, it comes up that it's, the first bot hit it. Press refresh again, boom, all green. So I thought what turned out is my buddy got a message. The reason he couldn't submit anymore is he had ran out of his instant submissions. He was so excited and just knocking out content, instant submit. And so that was his. He had a threshold. Me, for myself, that's not what happened. My content apparently is just crap according to Google. They don't want it. They're not interested in it. And the truth is, it's a hard lesson to truth to face. There's people that come in the group and like, hey, I have pages that haven't been crawled and indexed and scanned in months. Why not? Well, the truth is, then your content is crap. Google wants nothing to do with it. Or it already has it, or someone already answered it better than you, or provided more valid or accurate information than you. Rank brain is huge, guys. Google's knowledge graph is superior to everyone on the planet. They know far more than anybody else. And if you're trying to BS your way through it, you're going to be punished for it, or at least not rewarded. And yeah, apparently I wasn't bringing enough to the table on that article. It just is what it is. I'll go reevaluate it later on and see what I can do. But I thought I had it right on. See, I'm not perfect. Not everything I do wins. I mean, all I do is get wins in life. But yeah, no, I had an article not happen. Everyone was teasing me. Yeah, can you imagine doing that live in front of a customer or a client? Like, yeah. So embarrassed. But anyways, published this one this morning. Talking about holistic SEO strategies. And there we go. Throw out a little YouTube. Maybe you offer them a little bit of boost in their direction. But yeah, anyhow, guys, join up. Take my ZimWriter course. You'd be surprised. Some people have some difficulties with those first couple of lessons, but it gives you access to come hang out with me and my guys who are truly seeing success. And one of the greatest ones is one of the people that we brought in freaked out because I've been doing websites for years just on my own, trying to make something happen. I've never had anything rank. And he goes, everything I've done with your process ranks. So that's pretty good feedback. Anyhow, guys, like, share, subscribe, and all that wonderful stuff. And I will see you hopefully tomorrow.